So let's today work with the sales voucher. Okay. First of all, you have to go with the vouchers, and after that, we will click on sales voucher. Basic purpose behind sale is whenever we sell some product, we have to include that profit into our profit and loss sheet. Along with that, we have to update our stock summary, stock management, or it could be inventory management. Okay, that is why we have to enter the entry over there, and furthermore, we have to also provide the invoice bill to the customer, right? That is why we cut sales vouchers. So first of all, we will start with the party account name. Okay, party is always somebody who buy products from us. Okay, so now I'm gonna create a party, and I have to include their complete details. Same with the purchase voucher entry where we create sundry creditor. Here we have to create sundry debtors. Okay, reason behind that is when somebody pays us any money, okay, the money will be debited to our account. Okay, that's why we'll use sundry debt. You can take this simple and basic example. And now I'm gonna pick some practice task. Okay, so click on this button, and I have a task over there. I will see sales voucher from this place. Okay, basically, first thing we have is a first thing that we have is invoice number, but invoice number is basically generated from our own software. Okay, we can't create the invoice number. That is why we will not go with invoice number, and date is available in Tally Prime licensed version. Okay, that's why we can use two things. We will start with the third thing, which is buyer. Okay, who is our buyer? Raj Trends. So I'm gonna create their voucher. Raj Trends. Okay, after that, they are my sundry debtors. Why? Because they pay me the money and money is debted to my account. That's why I'll be creating them as a sundry debtors. I'll click on enter, 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 enter. After that, I don't have a delivery note yet. So I will just press it. Going ahead, here we have to create a sales ledger. Same with like a purchase ledger. We have to maintain our complete purchases on a purchase ledger, and we will do the same thing for sales. Okay, we will manage all the sales on a sales ledger. Now I'm gonna click on Alt C. Okay, here I will write a sales ledger. Okay, you can give it any kind of name if you wanna manage your complete sales in a hierarchy manner. Different ledger for a different sales account or for a different account. For example, if you are selling a product and you are getting money in your State Bank of India account, it could be your SBI sales ledger. Okay, if you are selling a product and you are getting money into your HDFC account, it could be your HDFC sales ledger. Okay, so you can manage it on different mode, or you can create a single ledger for your complete sales. I'm clicking here sales ledger. You can name it anything. After that, this is important. You just have to name it into sales account. Okay, yeah, your all sales ledger should be under a sales account. Now I'm gonna click on enter. And one more thing, whenever you are creating a sales ledger, your type of supply should be according. Okay, if you are selling services, it should be service. If you are selling goods, it should be. Currently, we are with the goods, so I'm gonna click on goods, and then we'll just click on accept. After that, same as yesterday. Now we will create a stocks. Okay, if you go here and you see the products over there, we have one cotton kurti, one type of stock, and second one is men's jeans. Okay, now I'm gonna click on cotton kurti, Alt C, paste it. After that, here we will not go with the unit under means group yet. You can create a group by clicking on Alt plus C. After that, you can create a stock group. Okay. if you want, but now I am not going with any kind of scope yet. I'll just go with the units. Okay, units of your product, same as we did yesterday. We have created pieces. Okay, and now I'm gonna create some another unit. Just wait for a while. And a chapter introduction to the topic. हाँ हाँ 5 सेकंड वीडियो तो देख रहे हो एक मैं तोड़ता जी एक ही चलेगा here we have to create pieces I am writing KRT for kurtis okay KRT for kurtis short name okay after that it is a formal name here I am gonna choose a unit quantity code should be same okay pieces because it's also in two pieces that's why you can write it here and after the decimal places we don't have kurtis in 2.5 7.5 2.59 that's why it should be 0 now I'm going to click on enter after that GST we are not done with GST yet so we'll be creating a simple okay now I'm going to click choose quantity what is the quantity over there 40 okay so I'm going to choose 40 this is saying it's a negative stock. Why? Because I have not created any purchase voucher. That's why it's saying, sir, we don't have the product, but you are selling. We can do this, okay, but we should know. I'm gonna click on enter. After that, I'll insert the rate 800. After that, discount is which is 5%. Press enter. You can write the discount over there to display this to the user. Okay. After that, just press enter. Sorry. The discount we are showing below is just to showcase to the user. Okay, above written discount will be calculated. I have inserted an option over there. I have clicked on configuration and then I had an option over there. We had an option which we clicked as yes. Okay, you can yes this option and discount will be available. Yeah, this will be available from the configuration at the bottom. Okay, now I have inserted one stock. After that, I have to add the new stock over there, which is men's jeans. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. चैट तो पढ़ लो चैट पे जी हुई है ना मैं मेरी हाँ हाँ now I'm gonna paste this stock name control C and control V here wait here okay and here we have units okay for jeans I'm writing JNS enter enter formal name is jeans quantity code pieces and decimal places are set enter here we have an HS and SAC code okay This will be provided to us. Okay. If you wanna enter this HSN or a SAC code, you can click on specify detail here button, and you can add this number over. Okay, I'm gonna copy this and paste. After that, we are not done with GST, so we will not do this. Just click on enter. What is the price? 1200. We have 30 pieces. I'm gonna add 30 pieces. Price per piece is 1200, 1200, and the discount is 5%. So listen, this is calculate. This is just to show. Now I'm gonna enter. Just press enter. Bill will be generated. Now I can see this bill. Okay, if you press Alt plus P, you can print this bill. Just click on current and print. The PDF will be available. This is our sales. Okay. Do you have any doubt? Okay, no problem.